Animals! Welcome to Golden Guitar. I'm rocking KATSEYE song. It's called Animal. Not your typical guitar song, but still, if you love a song, you can perform it in whatever instrument almost. Guitar will be the best one. Number one in the world, but probably you can perform this with a flute or, I don't know, whatever. Now, let's focus on this song with a capo on third. Absolute best scenario with that. We have a couple of chords to go over, but they're real simple with capo on third. So, let's do it. A minor first. That is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have D minor next. Open D, second G, third B, and first E. We have E. Open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. That's the main chords in the kind of 95% of the song. But then we need to throw in a couple more for the bridge part later on. So what you need to play now is E minor as well. Very similar to E, just take away that first G, so that will be open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. We have F as well, which is a bar chord. You place the index finger on the first fret, you push down all strings there, then you need to add third A, third D, and second G. And finally you have the G. Third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Alright, so let's go into the main pattern of the song. It will be played with two different variations if you want to focus on the beats. So I'm going to show you that first, and then just with plain strumming. So A minor, D minor, E, and A minor. That is the chord progression. Notice it both starts and ends on A minor. So 2 string rounds of A, D minor 2 string rounds, E 2 string rounds, and A minor 2 string rounds. So, okay, I'm gonna start with the beat first. It goes like this. Okay, so you're gonna play down, clap, down, a short pause, and then clap. So down, clap, down, clap, down, clap, down, clap. Okay, so like I mentioned, A minor 2, D minor 2, E 2, and A minor 2, like this. That's the first round, and starting the second round. And so on. Alright, that's the first version. Just without the claps and strumming, it will sound like this. Okay, so you're gonna play down, down, up, down. So the down, then instead of playing the clap there, you play down, up, a short pause, and then down. So down, down, up, down. You follow the same patterns: A minor, D minor, E, A minor, 2 string rounds per chord. Sounds like this. Alright, so that's the main kind of 95% of the song. Now into the bridge, 2 minutes and 1 second in. You're gonna play now just downs, single downs. So you're gonna play the D minor, and then the E minor, and then the F, then the A minor 2 times, and then 1 down on G. So that will be. That's the first half. Second half goes D minor, E minor, F, 1 down on each, and then you're gonna play 3 downs on the E. So, and then, and that's it for the bridge. Back to main, finish out the song with that, and that's it, guys. Animal from KATSEYE. Cool group, cool song. Give it a shot on guitar, and play tuned.